Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the exact video file and listening briefly to the audio to catch noise or accents. Once done, choose the transcription method, Cloud ASR for speed, local model for privacy, or manual editor for accuracy, because each trades off speed versus control. Next, set your target caption format like SRT or VTT and a frame rate if needed. This affects timing precision. Make sure to back up the original file before any processing, so you can revert if something goes wrong. You run the ASR or local model and export the transcript with timestamps. This gives you raw timing data to work from. Then clean the transcript, correct names, add punctuation, and merge or split lines for readability, because accurate text greatly improves viewer comprehension. Once cleaned, align phrases to readable subtitle lengths and durations, aiming for 1 to 2 lines and up to 7 seconds per card. If your tool supports forced alignment, use it to fine-tune the timestamps for exact sync. You preview the captions over the video, watching for early or late lines and lines that overlap. Make timing tweaks and adjust read speed to keep comfort. Once satisfied, export as SRT or VTT or burn subtitles into the video if needed. Ensure encoding and frame rate match the original. If sync issues persist, rerun forced alignment or apply a global time offset. If recognition errors remain, improve audio quality or provide speaker labels and reprocess, because cleaner audio yields better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.